to my channel. I'm Sunny. Hi. Welcome and welcome back. If you're new, subscribe because duh, why would you not? You're here already. Go ahead and click the button. It's right, well not this one, but the one right below it. Like, come on. So today, I decided to do a Mardi Gras inspired look because I won't be going to Mardi Gras and I'm so sad. So I thought, why not put it on my face? So here we are. Mardi Gras inspired look. So if you are interested in seeing this look, then stay tuned. Bye.
Okay guys, to start off, I'm using my BH Cosmetics 120 palette. I'm using this purple right here.
Next, I'm taking from the same palette a couple purples. I'm gonna use, I don't know what that noise is. I'm gonna use this purple and I'm gonna mix it with this purple and I'm putting that in my crease. Kind of a little bit below that light purple because we want it to fade up into it. So yeah, we want this to fade into that light purple. So we're gonna go just a little bit below it. In there. And then I'm gonna go back in with that first blending brush and blend the two together. Or just blend where they meet at, so it's not so harsh. Okay, I like how that's looking. Oh my God, This Is Us comes on tonight. I'm actually filming this on Super Bowl Sunday. I don't do sports. I don't pretend to do sports, but Super Bowl Sunday is today, and I'm not lit for that. I'm lit for This Is Us. This Is Us comes on right after the Super Bowl, which I don't even know when the Super Bowl ends. Hopefully soon, because This Is Us. Hello. Yeah. I'm gonna go in with some concealer now. I got super quiet. I gotta focus whenever I do that so I don't ruin everything. Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm seeing everybody do Valentine's Day looks and it's so cute and I really want to do one. I kind of did that strawberries and champagne one. But I've seen some other looks that I kind of want to recreate, so that's kind of exciting. I don't know if I'll be able to get them out in time for Valentine's Day or before, because this is probably going to come out before Valentine's Day, but I'm definitely gonna try because I've been loving all the looks. They're so cute. Again, y'all know pink is my favorite color. Like, I live in dark pink. I'm using this color right here and I'm putting that on the first half of my lid. So I'm just gonna pack that on here. And that's just gonna be the base for my glitter. But yeah, like I was saying, New Orleans is totally my vibe. I love that place. I've been a couple times and it is always such a good time. Not just the partying, which is, that is really great. But like the people there, they're super dope. Like, it's just a good vibe and I'm really big on energy. Okay, that's cool enough. It doesn't have to be super opaque. Like I said, it's just the base for your glitter. I'm using the same palette, same brush. I'm using this green right here. And just put that right out here. This is from my Black Magic palette from Sephora. I'm gonna add this, I'm just gonna dip the tip of my brush in here. I don't know how else I would describe it. It's black, but it has purple tint to it. And just go right up here on the edge.
For the glitter, first I'm going to lay down some eyelash glue. I'm using the Duo Eyelash Glue.
Does anybody else talk to their makeup like they're people? Or am I just a lunatic? Let me know.
For the glitter, I'm using this one from JCat. I don't have a name for it. I ripped it off. I'm so sorry. But it's from JCat. And then I'm going to add some liner. This is a Sephora Long Lasting Waterproof Liner.
That's about as even as I'm gonna get. I've already primed my face. I'm going to color correct because I have this darkness around my mouth. It's like a really dry patch. So I just color correct that. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the color orange. Yeah, no, it just says orange corrector. Since I'm down here, I just go ahead and do the do. I don't really do too much under here. This is the only part that's different. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through my foundation routine because I have a couple videos on how I do that. I will link them up here somewhere.
For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the color 350. And to contour, I'm using the Black Opal foundation stick in the color Beautiful Bronze. To highlight, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige.
Do y'all watch This Is Us? Am I the only one who is breaking down crying every single week? Every week. Tears, okay? Crying my heart out for these people. It's such a good show. It is so good. Like, the writing, it's just good, man. I don't even know, like, it's just good. And it's not just good because of how emotional it makes you. It gives you like a really good story, you know what I mean? Like, it's not just sad for the sake of being sad. So I was watching Amoree's Snapchat. Are y'all following her? She's super dope. She says to get like that super like poppin' highlight, not to break. I just choked. To get that super like wet looking look for your highlight, don't bring your setting powder all the way out here. And I have been doing that. So today I'm gonna try a little something different. You know, see what's going on with that. She says she just highlights this area. So I'm gonna try that, see what that does. Not highlight, she just sets that area with translucent, with setting powder. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my, of course, Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I'm gonna try to stay away from my cheek area too. I'm gonna keep as little powder in that area as possible, just to see if there's a difference. You know, I love trying new makeup techniques. If it sticks, it sticks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It is what it is. You just try stuff. You don't like it, don't do it again, you know? All right, for my lower lash line, I want to do, do I want to do it in purple? Yeah, let's go for purple. Let's just keep it like a purple little joint. I'm going to line my waterline with a black pencil. This is from NYX. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this color. Literally just a touch. This is from Shady Cosmetics. These blushes are really pigmented, guys. I'm telling you, like, you literally only need a touch, like for both cheeks. Look at that. There's so much on here. And then I want to tap off most of it, because no. For highlight, I'm using my glow kit. Of course, I'm using Golden Dawn today because we're going with the more like golden look. Just spraying my brush so that it kind of foils a little bit.
For my lips, I'm going to keep it pretty neutral. I'm lining them first with the Rimmel lip pencil in the color Cafe Au Lait. It's my favorite lip pencil ever. For lipstick, I'm using the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade Pearl. And that's going to wrap it up for the look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, of course. Comment down below. Let me know if you are emotionally torturing yourself every week watching This Is Us like I am. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at SonnyStrick. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye!